What about you? Is he? Oh, joking. Attaboy. Look, you see that 8? You do want some, don't you? Attaboy. Here's one for you. No, don't bury your food. Get that coat out of it. I tell you, he's a nuisance at times. He buries his food. So look at him. What are you doing? Stop it. Big boy. Psst. Snap out of it. Psst. No, no. Stop. No, you're gonna tip your food over. Eat your food, don't bury it. You're a loony. Stop it, you hooligan. It's his instinct. You can't. Psst. Big boy. Psst, psst, psst. It's right there. Don't sit in your food, eat it. You go eat it. Come on. Stop. No. Psst, 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 psst. Big boy. Here you go, here you go. Bon appetit.